Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is where you get to learn about computer science and programming. If this is first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive notifications whenever I publish new content. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the IDE setup for you to follow along with this course. I will be using Visual Studio Code and I recommend the same for you. In industry, you will most likely find this IDE for your development environment in one or another way. Atom is also another good choice. Let's start by opening your web browser and launch code.visualstudio.com. Right away, you can see this download for Windows button in the middle of the page. Just click on this button and it will start the download of the latest version of VS Code for Windows. Once the download has finished, you can navigate to the default download location. Double click on this executable file and it will start the normal Windows installation wizard. You can read through this license agreement and click I accept the agreement. Click next. Now it will show you where the VS Code will be installed in your Windows PC. If you want, you can change this location, but I'm going to keep it the default location. Click next. Again click next. And now make sure that you have this create a desktop icon selected, as well as make sure bottom add to path option is selected. That will allow me to launch VS Code by just typing code in the terminal. Click next, then click install. It will take some time to install, so I'm going to pause the video for now and I will come back once it's finished. Now the installation has finished for me and you can see this launch Visual Studio Code. Make sure it's checkmarked and hit finish. That will launch VS Code. This top bar is menu bar and these icons on the side are called sidebar. You can navigate through these and see different options, but this extensions icon is the most important. Here you can find different plugins for VS Code to enhance its features. Once you close this, you will have desktop icon on your desktop and you can launch the VS Code from there. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, post it in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.